Hello there, this is Tehessa, and this is going to be a very quick video. I am gearing up. I'm getting ready to shoot a ton of videos, content for my group programs, for my blog, and also to share with you here on social media. But while I was preparing for this, for shooting and creating these videos, I got inspired to share like how I prepare to create these videos so that they actually have a deeper impact. Lately, I have seen how my content is going wilder and wilder. There are tons of shares, people that are sharing my content all over the place, and there is so much interaction with my content, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on my page, in my group, and so on and so forth. Many may be wondering, you may be wondering, how is she doing that? How is it that her content is having so much interaction? How is it that people are reacting to her content? So I'm sharing my little secret with you today. My secret, right? It may or may not be a secret for you, but my little secret for that is, before I do any type of content creation at all, I check in with myself. I connect energetically with myself, because from that space, right, and I've said this over and over again, when we are energetically connected with ourselves, that means that we are energetically, because everything is energy, everybody is energy. From that space, I can connect not only to myself, right, but also be connected to my audience, also be connected to the universe as a global, and really tap into that part of who we are as humanity, if you want to say that. And so the more you can tap into that, the more you can tap into, the more and the deeper you can tap into that, no matter what content you come up with, it'll kind of touch that part, that human part of anybody that is watching your videos or reading your words, or so on and so forth. Because at the root of it all, we are all the same. At the root of it all, we are all the same. And so that's exactly what I do, and that's exactly what I did just now, before I got down from upstairs, got down, so that I can start creating my videos. The more you connect energetically with yourself, the more you connect with your audience. The deeper you connect with your audience, the more you can really speak to them out of your heart and out of love for them. And sometimes, even though it may feel like, oh my God, this is scary to say, and I've gone through that many times, when you say, you see how you'll hear from people that will say, oh my God, it's like you are in my head. Oh my God, it's like you are reading my mind. Oh my God, I just like experienced this today or yesterday. Oh my God, you're speaking to me. It's as if you're speaking to me. Of course, it's as if you're speaking to them, because your content is coming from much deeper layer than just the surface layer, than just the thinking layer, right? And so that's what I wanted to share with you today. That same sequence that I did just now before I got here to start creating content, I share that in Luminous Creator, and in my Luminous Creator course. So if you wanted to know how to do this for yourself, learn how to do this for yourself, you can check that out. Simply go to Tehessa.com/creator and check it out. Tehessa.com/creator to check it out. This is so much more. It is so much deeper than just creating content for your audience. It's so much even deeper than just becoming a powerful manifester. But it's so much about like really coming back to you and really recovering the powerful you. Talk to you soon. Bye.